Tutorial on how to download and install Opera GX on a PC or laptop. If you haven't already, consider subscribing and leaving the like button, and let's get into the video. On a search bar, search up for Opera GX. And then make sure you go to an official website. And now we can just simply click on Download Opera GX. And now the download will begin. Once it's done, on the top, click on the download icon, and then, on the download file, come over to the very left and click to open the file. And the installation window will pop up. Now all you have to do is to read the EULA, the Terms of Service, and the Privacy Statement, and once you agree to them, click on Accept and Install. You can choose to help make Opera better if you want to, but I just want to skip this. And now wait for the download to finish. Once it's finished, Opera GX will automatically open up and you can start using it. You can explore the web whatever you want, and you can also go to Windows Settings and set it to default to use it more often, and so much more. If you haven't already, consider subscribing and leaving the like button, and thanks for watching.